Hello everyone, I hope you're all happy, healthy and doing well today. Do you want to learn 10 important uses of the simple present tense? Do you want to know how to speak English correctly and easily? And do you want to learn how to use nouns and adjectives in the simple present tense? Then this video is exactly for you. This lesson can help beginners, intermediate and advanced learners. Even if you are a beginner and you don't understand everything at first, don't worry, just watch these lessons and videos.
We are going to learn simple present tense in a very easy way, not just the rules, but also how to use it in real conversation. In this lesson, you will learn the structure of simple present, when we add s or es to verbs, how to make negative sentences, how to ask questions, how to use nouns and adjectives, and finally 10 powerful uses of simple present. So if you watch this video carefully until the end, you will understand a very important part of English grammar. And remember something important, even if you're a beginner, don't worry if you don't understand everything. I don't play football. They don't watch TV. They don't watch TV. She does not eat meat. She does not eat meat. He does not work today. He does not work today. Shortcut: do not, don't, does not, doesn't. Shortcut means contractions. Examples: I don't like coffee. I don't like coffee. She doesn't watch TV. She doesn't watch TV. Question structure: do, does plus subject plus verb. We want to use or when we want to make question sentences in the simple present tense, we must bring do, does at the beginning of the sentences. Examples: do you play football? Do they speak English? Does she work here? Does he like tea? Does he like tea? Using nouns and adjectives. Sometimes we use be verbs. Structure, subject, a, as, are, nouns or adjectives. Examples: I am a teacher. She is happy. He is a doctor. They are students. Negative with nouns and adjectives. Negative: I am not tired. She is not sad. Question: are you happy? Are you happy? Is he a teacher? Is he a teacher? 10 uses of simple present. Now let's talk about how we use simple present tense in real life. First, daily routines. I wake up. Examples: I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. She drinks tea every morning. She drinks tea every morning. Second, facts. Facts. Example: word is round. Word is round. Allah is one. Allah is one. Third, permanent situation. Permanent situation. Example: she lives in Kabul. She lives in Kabul. He works in a bomb. He works in a bomb. Fourth, habits. Example: I recite Holy Quran every morning. He goes to the gym. Feelings. Example: I like coffee. I like coffee. She loves music. She loves music. Instructions. Example: open the book. Open the book. Turn left. 7. Sports commentary. We can also use simple present tense in sports commentary, like in cricket, football. Example: Messi passes the ball. He scores. 8. Timetables. Example: timetables. Examples: it means I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. I study English for 2 hours every day. These are examples of timetables case. 9. General truths. General truths. Example: birds fly. Birds fly. Fish swim. 10. Giving opinions. Giving opinions. Example: I think English is easy. I think English is easy. She believes in hard work. She believes in hard work. If you practice these sentences every day, your English will improve very quickly. Remember, English is not difficult. You just need practice and consistency. Today we learned simple present structure, when to add s and es, negative sentences, questions, nouns and adjectives, 10 uses of simple present. If you found this lesson helpful, keep watching and keep practicing, because small practice every day creates big results. In the next video, we will learn another powerful English lesson that will help you speak English faster and more confidently. So make sure you watch the next video. See you there. Goodbye.